Welcome to Hamilton Beach Shakes and Smoothies. We believe that healthy living should be easy and delicious. Our products are designed to make it simple for you to create nutritious and delicious shakes and smoothies that will help you reach your health and wellness goals. In this video, we will show you how to make the perfect shake or smoothie using Hamilton Beach products. So, let's get blending. Shakes and smoothies are a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals, as well as protein and fiber. They are quick and easy to make, and can be customized to your liking. With Hamilton Beach, you can make delicious and healthy shakes and smoothies in no time. To make a shake, simply combine your favorite ingredients in a blender, such as milk, yogurt, fruit, and protein powder. Blend until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass and enjoy. For a smoothie, you can add ice or frozen fruit to create a thicker consistency. You can also add vegetables, such as spinach or kale, for an extra boost of nutrition. Plus, its compact size and easy-to-clean design make it the perfect addition to any kitchen. So why settle for bland and boring drinks when you can make your own delicious shakes and smoothies with the Hamilton Beach Shakes and Smoothies blender? Hamilton Beach offers a wide range of blenders and mixers to suit your needs. Our products are designed with quality and durability in mind, so you can enjoy delicious and healthy shakes and smoothies for years to come. Whether you prefer a personal blender for on-the-go convenience, or a larger blender for family meals, Hamilton Beach has you covered. Thank you for watching Hamilton Beach Shakes and Smoothies. We hope you enjoyed learning about the benefits of shakes and smoothies, and how easy it is to make them using Hamilton Beach products. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.